Welcome everyone. Tamil Nadu and everywhere, everything, everywhere we have got so many resources, minerals, mountains, and so many other things, and agriculture field, pastures, mountains, and in fact we had a big mountain called Golden Mountain in Kolar. Now they have dug deep, 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 deep inside, and it has become. They are going to make a hole in the planet itself. Why it's becoming, why our country, especially Tamil land is becoming very dry, just because sand has been taken. Every time we are making bore wells, digging the planet down for water, everything is gone. So what else is remaining? See, look at this. We are dried with no water, and we are and the sand has been stolen, and the water resources and the plastics and the emanations, everything. So let us make this planet worthwhile to live for.
You can go there.
இந்த கார்